So in the previous videos, we have seen how to connect a device to, or how to configure a device in Arduino Cloud, and then we also created a thing in Arduino Cloud, so which is nothing but an LED which we have created. So this is what we have created, and we have associated this LED to this device, right? So now what we'll do is we'll just start here. Okay, now that we have created a device, we have created a thing, associated a thing with the device, let us try to create a dashboard. Why do we need a dashboard? Dashboard is required because this is where we can create a patterns, and then control the required things from a dashboard at one place. Like click on dashboard to create a dashboard, okay, and then when you see, you open it, you open a dashboard, blank dashboard, because we haven't created anything, and then click on add. Because we wanted to create an on off button, let us add a switch for now. Okay, so this is nothing but let instead of switch, LED switch control. Okay, this is what we'll create, and this will create an on off sliding button, and let us link a variable here. So we are going to link LED, okay, to this, and you can see it is created. And once it is done, okay, you can also detach if required, and you are saying show on off labels, which is very much required. Show thing name on widget. If you want, you can show here. Okay, if you don't want, we can eliminate this. So the thing right now we are not showing. If you want, you can also hide the widget name if required, or you can also show. Showing is okay, right? And then bottom here on the right, you have done. Click on done. So you will have a dashboard that is created. Now once the dashboard is created, let's go back to the cloud application, and then we can go to the things and open the thing. Okay, and then we can dump the sketch, modify the sketch a little, dump it, and control the device. Before doing it, you have the entire configuration that we have talked in sequence, configured the device, the thing, and then the dashboard. So in the next video, we will see how to write that sketch and dump it to Arduino Uno R4, so that Arduino Uno R4 comes online. Thank you.